And folks, it's Chief Meteorologist Nick Lilia here, taking a peek at the forecast as we head through the next couple of days. We've got chances for rain and storms Thursday, maybe some leftover rain Friday, and a couple of showers Saturday, and then another chance Sunday, Monday, and perhaps even into Tuesday. And this could all feature the prospects for some severe weather all the while. So let's get into things so we can give you kind of an idea about what we're looking at kind of piece by piece. So here's kind of the main setup right now. You can see we've got clouds drifting our direction from the southwest. Just some high clouds out there. And in fact, a lot of these high clouds are going to drift in as we head through and just kind of zip our way as we head through the overnight hours tonight and then through the day tomorrow. We've got a system up here in the Four Corners and into the Rockies that's going to come bother us as we head through the next couple of days. It's going to come at us from kind of a weird angle. We'll kind of talk about that here in a couple of seconds. But here you go through tomorrow. See, no real rain for tomorrow. It's going to be another great day. Get out, do stuff, enjoy the sunshine, the warmer temperatures. I think we'll top things out in the 70s. Clouds start to show up as we head through the morning on Thursday. Here's about 7:30. Watch what happens between 7:30 about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Things kind of erupt pretty quickly, especially across some of our western counties. Now, this is probably going to be right along the warm front, which means these storms are going to tend to be a little more elevated in nature to begin with. They'll work kind of backwards from what we're used to around here, but they'll start elevated and then they'll work their way down to being surface-based. We'll have to watch out for the prospects for a tornado or two in here, I suppose, only because it's South Mississippi, not necessarily because this is the type of system that makes tornadoes. It's not this kind of system. This is actually more of the kind of scenario where we get hail and wind damage around here. Hail up to maybe the size of quarters or perhaps even golf balls. Actually, a pretty decent sized hail, I think, in some of these storms. So here's at 11 o'clock in the morning, and then see how it just kind of spreads out right along where the warm front's lifting through the area. I think that's probably what we're going to see as we head into the afternoon. Is as we head through mid-morning and into the afternoon, an eruption of thunderstorms right along this this warm front. And again, storms along warm fronts tend to be extra spinny, which means what they can do is they can hold up larger hailstones, which is why I tend to think this is more of a hail and wind event. They also get stronger wind gusts. It's not impossible to get tornadoes in situations like this, and because it's South Mississippi and it's April, we have to say watch out for tornadoes. But again, I really want to reiterate that this is not the type of scenario that produces tornadoes historically for our area. Then this pushes out of here as we head through the overnight hours and into the morning on Friday, maybe a couple of lingering rumbles of thunder. That's about it. Carrie's stress-o-meter, again, raised eyebrow to concerned. We're looking for large hail. Tornadoes possible, only we just can't rule it out. And damaging wind. But yeah, the hailstones are the ones that we're a little more concerned about. I'll show you kind of what I mean here. This is our 500 millibar geopotential height map. And watch this thing kind of drift on through. So here's one little dip that moves through Thursday and Friday. That's it. That's the dip. That is it. It's real tough for us to get tornadoes down here when you can barely pick out where it is on the map. Not impossible. Again, not impossible, but it's just tough to do. Okay, next one up looks like this. Here we go through Saturday. I think we get a little bit of ridging in between Friday and Saturday, which kind of turns off the spigot in terms of rain before you see the bowling ball kind of dive out of the Rockies down here. But watch where it goes and the trajectory it takes. This is Sunday and into Monday, so here we are Monday morning. Now, for us, we've got a southwest flow aloft. We've also got probably a southeastern flow at the surface. That's crossing over as you head up in the atmosphere. That sets the stage for organized severe storms. But see, it's right here. So it started here, right? It was up there, then it moved to here. Now watch where this goes Monday and into Tuesday. Now we're here. And then into Wednesday. Now we're here. This is also not the trajectory that a normal system takes when we're talking about creating severe weather and tornadoes in South Mississippi. This is more the trajectory a storm takes, the storm system takes, when we're talking about wind and hail. And decent-sized hail. So I actually tend to think that Sunday and into Monday we may end up with some more hail. And another opportunity, again, you can't rule out a tornado. It's April, it's South Mississippi. We just can't do it. But when systems kind of swing in from the north like this, that's when they tend to be hail makers. It's when they come in from the southwest and go northeast like that they tend to be tornado makers. So let's look at Futurecast again. No changes for tomorrow. We're looking pretty good. Some showers, thunderstorms move through the area as we head through the day on Thursday and into Friday. Maybe some lingering showers on Friday, 30% chance. We'll hold on to a 30% chance on Saturday. And then here comes the next system, Sunday into Monday and into Tuesday. Well, it kind of kicks on out of here, I think, by Tuesday afternoon. And then we start to dry things back out on Wednesday and into Thursday. We're just left over with a couple of extra clouds. Things looking actually pretty good as we head through the middle of next week, a lot like the beginning of this week. So that's kind of a quick breakdown as to what we're looking at as we head through kind of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and kind of into Tuesday. And then we get a brief break next week before we line things back up for another round of some thunderstorms to move through as we head through later. Next week, though, we got plenty of time to get there before we got to worry about that. Let's get over hurdles number 1, Thursday, and number 2, Sunday, and into Monday first.